Welcome back, students. Students, we were learning 3.4, the two gentlemen of Verona. We have discussed first two paragraphs of this lesson. Today, we are going to discuss about next two paragraphs, paragraph number 3 and 4. First, I will read aloud those two paragraphs. You try to learn it carefully and use your notebook. Use your textbook too. Third paragraph. Next day, the boys are found shining shoes in the public square. This amazes the narrator. This is when they reveal the fact that they do numerous kinds of things to earn money. Here, the narrator is shown to develop a soft corner for them in his heart. He finds them to be innocent, serious, pleasant, and earnest. The boys are very useful to the narrator. They are very willing to satisfy all that the narrator requires. They are also found selling newspapers by the narrator. One stormy night, one day, when the narrator asks if he can help them in any, they say they will be very grateful if they get a lift to the nearby village for a time. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there. The boys get down in a building and ask the narrator to wait in a nearby cafe until they return within an hour. Students, in these two paragraphs, there are some new words for you. Those are reveal. Reveal means show or make known, means dakhawle. Then numerous means different, वेगवेगळे. Then some narrators find some qualities in those two brothers, Jacopo and Nicola. Those qualities are, those brothers are innocent, means sincere, pramani, serious, means gambhir, pleasant, means anandi, and earnest means मेहनती or सच्चे. Those are the new words. In these two paragraphs, writer also used some grammatical part of our English. Various types of grammatical sentences are there. Here, in this paragraph, he used they do numerous kinds of things to earn money. This sentence, I underline numerous kinds of things, and here is a question for you. Make a WH question to get the underlined part of the sentence as an answer. Here, we ask WH question, what? Then use helping verb do. Then they, subject. Then also here is do, so they do to earn money. And question mark. This is the WH question. What do they do to earn money? Next sentence. They are also found selling newspapers by the narrator. Here is a question for you. Write the voice of this sentence. What type of voice use in this sentence? In this sentence, use passive voice. Why it is passive voice? Because the construction of the sentence, the structure of the sentence is first here subject, then helping verb, to be is helping verb, and then third form of the verb, and then remaining part of the sentence, and then also here use word by. This type of construction, if we use to be is helping verb, to be is helping verbs used to use in a continuous tense, and that time we use fourth form or ing form of verb. But here we use to be is helping verb and V3, that means third form of verb. This construction used to make a passive voice. So it is a passive voice and tense is simple present tense. Next, here is a sentence begin with although. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there. Here two sentences. One is main clause and another is subordinate clause. In this sentence, he takes them there is the main clause because this is independent sentence. This sentence has complete meaning. First sentence is a subordinate clause because that sentence cannot complete meaning. The meaning of this sentence is depend on next sentence, so it is a subordinate clause. Up to way, and although is a subordinator or connector, it is called connector or subordinator of this sentence. And also some vocabulary used, vocabulary type of questions. He asks you write the noun form of, use the noun form of word narrator in the given paragraph. Word is used for narrate is a narrator, that is the noun form of narrate. Students, in these two paragraphs, narrator told us about those two hard work brothers, Jacopo and Nicola, who were doing different kinds of work to earn money for recovering or for the treatment of their sister who suffer from tuberculosis of spine. Tuberculosis means क्षयरोग, मनक्याचा झालेला क्षयरोग. त्याच्यासाठी ते मुलं वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे काम करायचे. In this paragraph, narrator tell us they shine shoes of people in a public square. Means ते मुलं चौकामध्ये येऊन दुसऱ्या लोकांची बूट पॉलिश करायचे आणि त्यामधून मिळणारी मिळकत ठेवून ते ट्रीटमेंटसाठी यूज करायचे. ऑल्सो narrator found them in a stormy night. They were selling newspaper. That means ते मुलं वादळी वातावरण असताना सुद्धा त्यामध्ये ते मुलं न्यूजपेपर विकण्याचे काम करायचे. Those type of numerous work they do to earn money. That time narrator finds within them those qualities: innocent, serious, pleasant, and earnest. Also, narrator describe about the willingness of those brothers. If one day, when he was going on the way, that time he asked those brothers for any help. That time those brothers asked him to lift near village Poleta. That means त्या मुलांना नॅरेटरनं विचारलं की मुलांना तुम्हाला माझी काही मदत हवी आहे का. त्यावेळी त्या मुलांनी फक्त म्हटले की आम्हाला तुम्ही एका जवळच्या खेडेगावामध्ये सोडा, जेणेकरून आम्ही तिथे जाऊन काही न्यूजपेपर्स विकू. नॅरेटरच्या मार्गामध्ये ते पोलेटा नावाचं गाव येत नव्हतं, तरी सुद्धा त्यांना मदत करण्यासाठी म्हणून नॅरेटर्स त्यांना घेऊन गाडीमध्ये घेऊन त्या गावी गेला आणि त्यांना तिथं ड्रॉप केलं. ड्रॉप केल्यानंतर मुलांनी एका बिल्डिंगपाशी गाडी थांबवण्यासाठी सांगितलं आणि काही काळाकरता तुम्ही आमची या कॅफेमध्ये कॉफी पीत आमची वाट पाहत थांबा, आम्ही लगेच रिटर्न येतो, असं म्हणून ती मुलं गेली. पुढचा पार्ट आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहू. थँक्यू.